Good morning student. Today we are going to multiplication program and aim is write a program that multiplies two 1 byte hex numbers stored in consecutive memory locations starting from 7030H stored the 2 byte result in consecutive memory location starting from 7032H. In multiplication program, first we need accumulator content 00. The instruction is XRA A. Next, initialize the register B is 00 and this instruction is move A to B, means accumulator content is 0 and 0 move in register B. We are going to next slide. As I told you, first we need initialize the memory pointer 7030. Instruction is Alexa H 7030. Next, 02 data move in register C. So 02 stored in register C and instruction is move M to C, means memory location 7030 content 02 to register C. We are going to next slide. Previous slide, microprocessor pointed 7030. With the help of INX H instruction, microprocessor increment by 1. Right now, microprocessor pointed 7030 memory location. One thing I tell you, subtraction and addition program has subtraction and addition instruction, but in multiplication program microprocessor has no instructions, so will logic in addition logic applied. So accumulator plus memory location is equal to accumulator. Accumulator content 00, memory content 04 and we stored register C in 02. So register C 02 is nothing but the counter. If register C is 00, that time we get output. We will get output. So accumulator is 00 plus memory content 04 is equal to 04. If carry is generated, so incremented register B. Instruction is INR B and counter C is decremented. Until condition becomes false, iteration will go on and again A plus M is equal to A. If carry is generated, again incremented by register B. If register C is 00, so we got the output counter set 0 and stored the result in memory location 7032. Right now our result stored in accumulator. So microprocessor increment again plus 1 memory location. Previous slide 7031 pointed with the help of INX H instruction, microprocessor pointed in 7032. Move A to M. With the help of this instruction, microprocessor accumulator data moving to memory location 7032 and this is our output. Again microprocessor incremented by 1. Right now microprocessor pointed 7033 for register B data. If carry is generated, I told you carry is generated 0 0, so move B to M with the help of this instruction 0 0 stored in 7033 if carry is not generated. If carry is generated, so whatever 0 1, second time carry generated is 0 2, third time carry generated 0 3 and so on. But this is our output. This is completed the multiplication program, and multiplication program output is, before execution we took data 7030 content 02, 31 content 04, 7032 00 and 7033 again 00. After execution 7032 is 08 and 7033 is 00. If carry is generated, that time this output may be changed. So we completed the multiplication program. Our next practical performance. The next practical is write a program that multiplies two 1 byte hex number stored in consecutive memory location starting from 7030, store the 2 byte result in consecutive memory locations starting from 7032 beginning with lower order byte. So let's start. First we reset all internal data, then accept command. I press substitute CR, microprocessor ready for all the command, then again CR, microprocessor asks starting address 7000, again I press CR. So 7000 opcode is A, F, 7001 opcode is 47, next opcode 21, next 30, next 70, next 4E, next 23, again 86, again D2, here 0 C, again 70, next 0 4, 0 D, then C2, 0 7, again 70, 23, 77, 23, 70 and last CF. So we stored the all opcode in this kit. Now again accept SCR. This time microprocessor asks the input address. In our input address is 7030. First data we take 09 and second data is 05. We feed the input also. Accept SCR. Time to execution. Microprocessor asks the starting address of our program and our starting address is 7000 CR. You can see here this is display the command, means our program is correct. Again accept SCR, here is ready, is microprocessor ready all commands. Again CR, this time microprocessor asks the input address 7030. First we take 09 data, another is 05 and output content is 00. This time for execution, accept CR. Microprocessor asks the starting address of program 7000. Here is command, means our program is correct. Now accept SCR for output 7032, 2D and 00. This is completed the second program.